But hi everyone, if you're watching this back, it's Ariel. Sorry I look a little bit of a mess right now, but I promise by the end of this, we're gonna look banging, I promise. Today's a super exciting day. I can genuinely not wait for today and just for like what we're going to be doing today. And I also can't wait to talk about it because I feel like I don't really get to talk a lot about my job working kind of in the K-pop industry. You guys know, I kind of dabble in doing a lot of different things, but I've had a lot of really cool experiences living here in Korea, and today is definitely gonna be one of the major ones. So if you guys don't know, what we're doing today is we are going to the Dream Concert. So Dream Concert is a festival that runs once a year in Korea in the summertime, and it usually has a different lineup every year, but obviously last year they couldn't do it due to COVID. So this year there's so many groups. I wish I had written down all the groups. Actually, I can read it to you right now. I have it here. Let me read you all the groups that are going. We have first Golden Child, Golden Child, Drippin', Dreamcatcher, Labo, Lightsum, Red Velvet, Victin, Stacy, IBE, AB6, NCT Dream, NMIX, Elris, Oh My Girl, Unite, VI, Weekly, Imujin, who's a solo artist, Epex, Kingdom, Kepler, Gravity, Trends, Pentagon, and CIX. Oh my god, I was reading it in Korean. But oh my god, you guys, I get to see all of those groups literally tonight perform, which is so crazy. We are going to be doing content for Kooky and content for myself as well. So I will be vlogging for you guys behind the scenes of what's going to be going on. So if you guys want to see the behind the scenes footage, you can obviously watch me on my channel. I'm sure you guys all do. And then obviously Kooky as well will be shooting content too. So basically how it works and how we're going is we are going as press. So the Kooky app got press passes for me and my manager, and we will be going and shooting content for Kooky. But the main purpose is we'll be able to access the red carpet and shoot videos and obviously take pictures of the idols when they are going into the festival. So that's obviously really cool. We get to see like the behind the scenes, which is very cool. We also get a separate check-in from like regular fans, because the regular fans obviously have their own booth, but we obviously have to send in like our ID, our company name. We have to show like what company we work for, that kind of stuff, in order to get a press booth like ticket basically. So that's really exciting. So basically how it works is the concert starts at 6 p.m. but the red carpet is at 4 p.m. but we have to be there by 2. And then also I do want to say press does have designated seating as well. So because we are press, we don't get to just like pick our ticket. Basically we'll be sitting with all of the other press in like a specific press booth on the floor. So we do get floor seats, which is obviously a privilege because it's a huge stadium and I'm super grateful, but we're not going to be like front row. We're going to be a little bit to the back. And like I said earlier about like the specific rules of what we can and cannot film, we can't film during the actual performance. So it's a bit of a shame because like it'd be really cool to like actually like film like the performances. Not that maybe we couldn't be able to see from that distance, but it'll still be really fun and we get to see all the performances as well. So who are you most looking forward to seeing? You know who I'm really looking forward to seeing after I said the group list? Pentagon. I've never seen Pentagon live. Actually, have I? I may have seen Pentagon live, but it's probably been a really long time, and I think Pentagon, they're gonna do it just occurred to me that they're gonna do Feel. Oh, I'm so excited to see Pentagon actually. Feel Like is so good. And I'm also really excited to see Drippin', but I haven't watched Drippin's comeback yet, so I need to watch Drippin's comeback. Also, obviously Red Velvet, they're gonna do Feel My Rhythm, and I'm going to literally just start sobbing because my mother's. And I'm so excited to see IBE. Oh my god, you guys, they're gonna do Love Dive, and I'm gonna just be sobbing. Like, truthfully, I should be wearing waterproof makeup today. I'm not gonna, but I should. But yeah, I'm really excited to shoot the content for you guys and to like obviously bring you guys along and just show you everything. I can't wait to take you guys. Like, I just can't wait to take you guys. I can't wait to experience it for myself. Like, I'm just so excited and ready to see like how it works behind the scenes, because obviously, like I said, I've never been to something like this, so I'm really curious to see like what it's gonna be like. But let me give you guys a little OTD, but can you see my skirt? It's not a skirt, it's actually pants. Fun fact. Guys, ready? It's a skirt. Guys, this is my outfit. Obviously, I love you guys. If you guys obviously haven't subscribed to Kooky's YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you guys obviously haven't followed me on the Kooky app, go download the app and follow me. It's an amazing app. There's an amazing team that works on it, and I truthfully love and support every single one of them. So yeah, I love you guys. I obviously love the Kooky app. Again, stay tuned to our Instagrams to see the behind the scenes content. Get ready for some vlog footage because I will be vlogging today. And thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I will see you guys next week at 11 a.m. KST or 10 p.m. Eastern for another live stream. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for getting getting ready. Like I said, also, if you guys have any K-beauty recommendations, please leave them in my DMs or in Kooky's DMs as well. You can DM us, you can tweet at us, so please, please give us recommendations for an upcoming live stream. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, everyone!